In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove the Temu app from your iPhone. Removing an app is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. What you want to do next is scroll down this list of apps and find the Temu app. Tap See All to see more apps. These are all the apps installed on your device. Once you've found the Temu app, tap on it. To remove the Temu app from your iPhone, simply tap where it says Delete App, and then tap Delete App one more time to confirm it. This is exactly how you can uninstall and remove the Temu app from an iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.